Making equity great again, there is more liquidity than ever. Nobody knows what Trump 2 will be compared to Trump 1.
Ursula von der Leyen and co, they have once again put Capital Markets Union top of the agenda. We know how Capital Markets Union is appealing to businesses, but why is the CMU important to citizens across Europe too?
The fact that we don't have fully integrated capital markets is just an historical anomaly. And you have one huge difference between Europe and the US. By and large, if you want to have some income when you are too old to work, too tired, you need to, in the rest of the world, you need to buy shares. This is long-term return. In Europe, if you want to have some income when you are too old, you need to hope and expect that young generations around you at that time will continue to pay taxes and to pay social contributions because the system is vastly financed through redistribution. Addressing the pension structure of Europe is going to be a fundamental driver to the re-equitization of Europe. Before the welfare states, when people had to plan for rainy days, when they had a little bit of saving, they were going to the bank to buy a share in a railway company or to the post office to buy a government bond. And that's where they were building a sort of safety net for rainy days. Then the welfare state came and provided a sort of safety net for everybody, absorbed some of the resources that went to taxes to provide the safety net, absorbed through taxes the production of services that became public, like health and education to a large extent. And therefore, the approach of savings, the stock picking, which was a part of local branches of banks, disappeared. We are back, in my view, in a situation where people need to build their own safety net to equity investment. Actually, there is a slow progress. We have seen during the COVID year and the year after a progress where retail investments moved from 3% sometimes to 5% or 6% in some markets. It was a bit reduced. I would take the fact that the young generation is massively investing in crypto as a first step of them being ready for more equity investments.